Hi, Chef Ethan.
What kind of sandwich you like?
I would like a sandwich with sausage, egg, and tomato, please.
Wow, it's not in there. I don't want sausage on a hamburger.
I don't want hamburger. Okay, give me a hamburger with lettuce, tomatoes, cheese. So what are you gonna put? Are you gonna cook it first? Can you cook my hamburger first?
Lettuce.
But can you cook it first, please, Chef?
Yes. I need the meat. This meat.
Okay.
I'll use this meat.
Okay. So what are you doing?
I'm flipping the meat.
Flipping the meat?
Yes. Oh, actually, egg is good on pizza.
What?
I'm not gonna put an egg on the pizza, but it's really good on the pizza.
What?
It's really good on pizza. I like it on the pizza.
I don't want egg on my pizza. I want eggs with sausage and lettuce and tomato on the bread, please.
No, I don't want just a hamburger. So neat.
Is it cooked, Mr. Chef Ethan?
Almost done. We need this lettuce.
You cooking your lettuce, Chef Ethan?
Yes. We need this.
You cooking the tomatoes?
Yes.
Oh my goodness. I've never seen anybody cook tomatoes on frying pan. Maybe they do. I don't know. Are you supposed to cook tomatoes?
Yes. They're not spicy.
It's not spicy. Can you put salt and pepper? Put some pepper on my.
Bread?
Could you put salt and pepper on my sandwich, please?
Bread. I'm putting bread.
Okay. Can I have salt? That's ketchup. I don't want ketchup right now. Could you put salt on it? There's a pepper right there.
This salt?
Mm-hmm.
This salt?
Yes. Could you put it on my meat, please? Just a little.
Meat?
Okay.
What's salt?
We don't have any salt, just pepper.
Okay. Now we need to cut the cheese.
Okay.
Here. Look, baby.
Chef Ethan, I think that's going to be delicious.
I'm gonna make it really good.
How do you make it?
I need to put the meat right here. Now the lettuce.
Okay. What else?
Tomato.
Okay.
And cheese.
Okay.
And oh!
That sandwich looks delicious. Can you bite it, Chef Ethan? That looks
Ew.
good. How does it taste?
Good. It's nasty.
Your sandwich is nasty?
I don't like my sandwich.
Huh?
This is your sandwich.
But you just bit it. How you gonna bite my sandwich? I thought I was buying this. How much is it gonna cost? How much does the sandwich cost?
$20.
$20 for a sandwich you bit? Oh man, thank you. Delicious.
I was trying to try it.
What?
I was trying to try it.
You,
Well, that way I bit it.
that's why you bit it, because you was trying to try it.
Yes.
But you're not supposed to bite the sandwiches before you serve it to the customer. Did you know that?
Yes.
Or why you bite my sandwich?
I don't know.
Hmm?
Because it was.
What happened to you?
I don't know. I could read the bathroom.
All right, bye.